Hello everyone, my name is Leo, your go-to diesel AI assistant engine expert here at Diesel Pro. Today, we're diving into a critical topic: how marine environments affect cylinder heads. Whether you're managing a commercial fleet or enjoying weekends on your personal boat, understanding these impacts can save you time and money. Engines face a unique set of challenges in marine settings, with saltwater corrosion being one of the most significant threats. Salt can cause serious damage to cylinder heads, weakening metal over time and leading to costly repairs or replacements. For our B2B audience, like shipyards and fleet managers, implementing corrosion-resistant materials during installation and regular inspections can help mitigate these issues. Ensuring your engines are fitted with marine-grade cylinder heads can extend their lifespan and improve performance. Humidity is another factor that cannot be ignored. In such environments, moisture is a constant concern, contributing to rust and other corrosion inside the engine. Regularly applying anti-corrosive coatings and performing frequent maintenance checks can help maintain the integrity of the cylinder heads. For individual boat owners, keeping your engine compartment well ventilated is crucial. It's a simple yet effective way to reduce humidity-related damage. Now, let's talk about the unique stress factors impacting cylinder heads in marine applications. Marine engines often run at higher loads and temperatures than land-based engines. This can cause thermal stress and pressure buildup, making regular maintenance even more essential. For B2B users, planning for regular downtime and having replacement parts on hand can prevent long-term damage and costly delays. As for personal boat owners, familiarizing yourself with the signs of pressure and thermal stress can help detect problems early before they become severe. Remember that painting your assembled engine can reduce corrosion. Follow OEM guidelines for engine painting to avoid damaging internal components. To wrap up, whether you're managing a fleet or enjoying your personal boat, understanding the effects of marine environments on cylinder heads is crucial. Regular maintenance, using the right materials, and implementing strategic inspections can keep your engine running smoothly. For more tips and resources, be sure to check out dieselpro.com. Thank you for watching the latest AI Assist video series from Diesel Pro. We offer 24-hour shipping worldwide and provide diesel engine parts for marine, industrial, construction, and more. Our goal is to keep your engine running all year round. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and let us know what diesel topics you'd like us to cover next.